Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. In this quick video, we will see how to unlock the bootloader of this Redmi Note 11. In our earlier videos on MIUI, we used ADB-Fastboot tool to unlock it. But here it is a little complicated as it is a Redmi MIUI device. Before starting, I have to thank Redmi Note 11 community Telegram group and one person called Yoda who helped me a lot in terms of resolving issues. It is only possible with his help and response. All the credits and community links are in the description. Be sure to check and be a part of this journey. There are few prerequisites: 1 ADB driver, 2 ADB-Fastboot tool, 3 MI unlock tool, 4 you need to back up all your data before proceeding, so warning. I will leave all the required files and things in the description. You can install and start the process. On the phone side, you need to enable developer option. So go to settings, phone information and tap 7 times to the MIUI version to enable the developer option. Now you need to add your MI account in order to initiate the unlocking. For that, go to settings, additional settings, developer option, MI unlock status. Press add account and sign into your MI account. You need to use SIM data in order to finish this process. On the computer side, you need to install the ADB driver and MI unlock tool. If it shows any new update, please update and install the new update. Once it is installed and opened, sign into the same MI account that you have used on your mobile. Now turn off your mobile and boot it to fast boot. To do that, hold the volume down plus power key. Until it shows the fast boot, don't release it. Now connect the phone. You can check the fastboot status by typing fastboot devices in the ADB-Fastboot tool by opening CMD here. Now click on unlock. It will prompt all your data will be erased and it is dangerous something. This is true as it will delete all your data, so you need to backup it on an external SD or in your PC. First backup it all, after that proceed with the steps. Once the 5-second mark is over, click on unlock anyway. Now it starts the device verification process. Once it is done, it won't simply unlock. It asks you to wait for 168 hours, which is 7 days. As it says, you need to wait for days. Also, in that time, don't sign in with any new account as it reverts again and makes the waiting again to 7 days. We will see after 7 days.
Several days later.
Okay, so it is almost 10 days. We will try to unlock now. Just reboot the device to fast boot by holding volume down plus power key. Open the unlock tool on your PC and sign into your MI account which you used earlier. Now connect the USB cable and start unlocking. It is verifying the device. Unlocking now. Yes, it has successfully unlocked the device. Now your phone will automatically reboot to your system. As you can see, the unlocked icon in the top middle screen, which confirms that it has been unlocked. Once it is restarted, it will ask for FRP. Here I am going to turn off the device and boot into fast boot. To check the unlock status, you can use the command fastboot OEM device dash info. As you can see, the unlocked and critical unlocked are true, so we have successfully unlocked the device. Now next we will see how to install custom recovery. If you are watching later time, you can visit our Note 11 development journey playlist to find all the episodes of this series. Thank you for watching. Hot Moto.